Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to sign up for Air University. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for web contents and tutorials on solutions to your web problems. So let's move on to the sign up process for Air University. Air University is a public research university. It is a civilian university that offers you undergraduate and postgraduate programs in IT, engineering, business management, and humanities. So to sign up for Air University from your device, you can simply go to a web browser and visit the official website of Air University. Open a browser and then you can enter the web address. After opening the official website of Air University, you need to go to the login information page, and then here you will see the sign up here button. You can simply tap on it and then the sign up page will appear. To create the account here in Air University, you require applicant name, that is your name. So enter your applicant name in the box. After that, in the next box, you need to enter the applicant form with no space. It will be the numbers. Enter the number and then you can enter your date of birth. After that, you need to enter your father's name in the box. Next, you need to choose your gender and now enter your personal email address. This email address will be used by you next time to log into your admission page in the Air University. Now once again, you need to confirm your email address. And finally, you have to create a password for your account in Air University. So create a strong password. After you are done filling this form for the sign up in your account, now tap on the register button and then you will be successfully creating an account in Air University. In this way, you will be signed up in the Air University. So to log in for online portals in Air University, you need to open a web browser. Then you need to tap on the search box and type Air University Login. Then you need to tap on Login page Air University Student Portal. Then it will take you to the login page for the student portal in Air University. You need to enter your information, that are your registration ID and password. So enter your registration ID. Then enter your password. After that, you can tap on the login button and you will be successfully logged into your Air University account through the student portal. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.